guys, it's Dreamy Bunny here, and I'm back with a tutorial for cosplay, and this time I'm doing a tutorial on how to use hot glue. I like using hot glue for like the little details and some gems and stuff like that. It's a very inexpensive way to like make gems. So, and if you don't have to like have the skills for resin or the money for resin, you can just use hot glue. So yeah, I'm going to show you how to do that. You just need a mini size of the multi-temperature hot glue, and you're going to need a glue gun. I got this one at Michael's for like $3. It's like called Art Mines, but definitely a good investment if you're going to cosplay. I do have like paper on mine, but I think that's kind of like how everybody's hot glue gun is, so yeah. But definitely pick this up at Michael's because it's super inexpensive and it's a really good quality for $3. So yeah. Okay, so I'm going to move all this stuff out of the way, and I'm going to show you this gem that I made for Bowsette. The green part is actually hot glue, and the gold part around it is called Cosplay clay, and it's this stuff, well, it's like cosplay foam. It's this stuff that's very durable, and it's kind of like clay. And you can mold it around stuff and you can make shapes out of it, but these are actually gems that I made out of hot glue and painted it with nail polish and sealed it with clear coat. So yeah, that's what I'm showing you how to make today, and those are for the Asuna sword gems that I was making. So yeah, I actually used a deodorant cap for the shape of the Bowsette gem if you guys have any interest in it. So yeah, here's the clay that I'm talking about. It's on cosplaycrafts.com. I'll link it below for you guys. It's not like sponsored or anything. I bought it with my own money. So yeah, I do love the texture of this stuff. It's like air dry clay, but it dries like really nice. It's more durable than the air dry clay from Crayola though, I've heard. And it's a real pain getting this lid on, but you definitely want to keep it on because it'll dry out if you don't. So here I go, trying to get it on. And there, it's back on. So yeah, this stuff's great. Next, I'm going to show you what I use for some shapes. I have this palette from Just Paint, and it's actually the shape I need today. So I'm definitely going to use this, and basically, like, you can use anything that you find that is like a shape, like a cap or like a bottle, you know, like off of something. As long as you can put glue in it and it's not going to melt, you can use it. And I'm just telling you again that you can use nail polish to paint it. But I do definitely recommend using nail polish over acrylic paint because I think it holds better on the hot glue. So yeah, that's just a little tip. Now what you're gonna need is some cooking spray and some petroleum jelly or like Vaseline. I'm just spraying the spray into the little compartment and like swish it around. I put way too much in, so you don't even have to put a lot on, just put like a little bit on a paper towel. And then I'm gonna grease up the other slot with the Vaseline. I'm just doing this so that you can see both techniques, but both are good. I do prefer the Vaseline, but only because it discolors the hot glue with the cooking spray, since it does have like butter in it. So yeah, I do definitely recommend the Vaseline over the cooking spray, but if you don't have one or the other, they're both perfectly fine because you're going to be painting it anyways. So just fill up your compartment with some hot glue on both sides. Try not to touch it because you're going to definitely like move it because it will be way too early to try to get it out, which I try, and I have to keep touching it up because I'm very impatient, but definitely recommend for you to just set it in front of a fan because it won't be dry until you do, and you just keep touching it and messing it up. So yeah, I definitely recommend you just to leave it be for a little bit, maybe like 5 minutes. Make sure you fill it to the top or however full you want it. And yeah, I'm touching it up here because I did touch it and it wasn't dry yet. And that like makes it process longer because you're putting hot glue over cool glue, so definitely don't touch it. It's a tip from future me. Okay, now taking a metal nail file, I'm just popping it out. See how easy it came out? Use the cooking spray, it's going to be a real pain to get it out, so just so you know. And then I'm trimming around the gem to make sure it's nice and smooth all the way around and there's no jagged edges, because you don't want to be like jagged unless you're going for that look. But in my case I'm not, so I'm trimming it. Then I'm going to get the other one out. This one takes a little bit more, but it does leave it a bit smoother, so like I said, prefer the Vaseline method. And then I'm going to trim this side up too. Perfect. Now the left side is the cooking spray and the right side is the Vaseline. As you can tell, it's just slightly discolored, but honestly it's preference. But you can go ahead and sand it like real easy and then paint over it so that you get your nice gem and it'll be perfect. Don't forget when you do it to seal it with clear coat as well. So yeah, I'm just showing you that Vaseline was my favorite method and you can choose which one you like better, but personally I recommend Vaseline. But yeah, thank you so much for watching my video, and I hope to bring more tips and tutorials to you guys. So please like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos because I have a few collabs coming up. So yeah, bye!